Hey guys, so these are my top 5 stocks I am purchasing today. Today is January 27th. We're going to be taking a look at these 5 stocks that are all currently down right now due to the DeepSeek news. I think it's an overreaction in the overall market. We should see a reversal in a majority of the market, especially the Mag 7. You're already seeing Apple up, Amazon up as well, Meta hitting all-time highs. Specifically, NVIDIA though down, and then we have also AVGO down a lot as well, and SoFi also down a lot. But going into NVIDIA here, there is a dip opportunity that I'm viewing at. Currently, we are in that dip opportunity. I'm looking to add a big position here for NVIDIA, but also keeping some cash on the side just in case we dip down to 96. I have 115 as a major support level. If that respects pretty well, then we can look for a reversal to 130. However, if 115 breaks down below, I would personally caution for a test down towards 96. Not trying to scare anyone, just sharing my personal speculation here for the technical analysis side of things. So you might see some more selling pressure. 115, if it doesn't hold, caution for 96. This I think should hold. I don't think we break below 96. And then we should see a sharp reversal back up to the top side. Going into the next stock that I would buy is going to be SoFi. We take a look at SoFi here. It is down 11%. Recently had a high of 1842. For this week, these upcoming days here, I'm expecting a reversal back up to 1842. Looking for a price target of $19 as well to be tested. And going into next week, so first week of February, look out for 2260 to be tested in terms of resistance for SoFi there. So I think there is a lot of upside movement for SoFi. It's just specifically today with the DeepSeek AI news, overall market is headed down. So keep an eye out for a reversal. This is a dip opportunity. I wouldn't mind entering below 16 here for SoFi. I'm actually looking to add for myself as well for SoFi here, but while it's below 16. NVIDIA adding while it's below 120. Just keep an eye out for 115 as well to be tested, possibly lower if 115 breaks. Going into the third stock I am adding, it's going to be Amazon. Amazon here, as it's near its all-time high, we made a recovery from 218 this morning, or I should say overnight. We hit a low of 218 and then a reversal back to 233. Look for 236 to be retested this week, and then 250 here should be tested going into next week. Post earnings, I have a price target possibly up to 280. We should see Amazon have a leg up as well by the end of this year, or possibly first half of this year. We might see Amazon headed all the way up to about $300 price target. But in the short term here, I'm just looking for really 250 for Amazon. Again, I wouldn't mind adding a position here for Amazon. Dollar cost average, I should say. Next stock I am going to be taking a look at is going to be Palantir. This is a stock I would also buy. I wouldn't mind adding a position here right now while it's 73. If you're looking for a bigger dip, there is support at the 50 EMA, and that is at $68.50 on the daily chart there. So look for $68.50 as a support level. Wouldn't mind adding here, by the way, if I'm looking for a price target of 84 all the way to 100 to be tested within the next couple of weeks here. Still thinking it's going to be quite volatile, but this is a pretty good dip opportunity in my opinion. Last stock is going to be AVGO. So Broadcom here, 18% down, down $44. Pretty volatile here as well. I'm viewing the 100 EMA as a major support level. There's actually two signs of support here. So the 100 EMA on the daily chart lines up at 194. You also got the Fibonacci chart here that lines up at 194.50. So both are pretty close to each other relatively. I'm looking for a reversal and a gap fill back up to the top side here. We should see a reversal back up to 240 for AVGO going into the next couple of weeks. This again is a pretty good dip opportunity in my opinion while we are below 210. So as long as AVGO is below 210, I wouldn't mind buying AVGO. If you're afraid of AVGO breaking down to the downside, I personally don't think this will happen, but if 194 breaks down, the next major support is closer to 172. That's the 200 EMA. Don't think that will happen, but if you're afraid of 194 breaking down below, again, 172, they're going to be the next major support level. So there you have NVIDIA, Amazon, SoFi, Palantir, and then AVGO. Those are the top 5 stocks I'm purchasing today. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold, just sharing my personal opinion. If you're in any of these stocks, be sure to join our Discord with the link down below in the description. There's over 32,000 members there. Highly recommend joining there. It's a friendly community. On a big red day like this, we're still making a lot of money, and we are adding to our positions as this is a dip opportunity. I think this is an overreaction in the market. Just like there's overreaction to the top side, there's also overreaction to the downside. So this today is one of those moments, is an overreaction to the downside. Just my opinion. Feel free to join the Discord down below for free. And if you're looking for our live entries and exits, we do have a Patreon link down below in the description. It's currently 90% off for our live alerts, all right? Thanks for watching, y'all.